यार तू तो सैंटा क्लॉज निकला यार। दिस इज सीरियसली एपिक।
किद्दा ब्रो मीटिंग? अरे क्या है कबू? अच्छा प्लीज जल्दी खत्म कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है। हाँ मैं नीचे वेट कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी आ। या हाँ भैया किधर हो यार? हाँ भैया सीधा आओ, सीधा सीधा।
Where's the cab?
चली गई, इतनी देर बिना वेट करेगा वो। हेलो कहाँ हो यार? मोहन मेडिकल, मोहन। व्हाट? हाँ अब दिख रही है पान की टपरी, वहां से लेफ्ट लो, लेफ्ट। क्या दिख रहा है? नहीं यार मंदिर नहीं। वेयर इज दिस गाय मैन?
है उधर ध्रुव।
अच्छा अब आ गए यार, अब आ गए। रुको रुको, उधर ही रुको। आई रियली होप दैट प्लेस डजंट शट काव्या। सीरियसली लेट्स गो।
फाइनली। नहीं नहीं इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। अब सीधा 2 मटन कटलेट ग्रेवी और
फील्ड शेयर ना।
आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर। अब पाव के साथ ले आओ।
मटन कटलेट ग्रेवी खत्म हो गया है, वो आखिरी था।
व्हाट द फक?
ओके रिलैक्स।
सॉरी भैया, आप प्लीज उधर चेक करो यार, किचन में एक पीस तो मिल जाएगा आपको।
अच्छे से चेक करके ही बता रहा हूँ। नहीं है,
एक बार अंदर जाके पूछ के आई ना।
अच्छे से चेक करके ही बताया है।
बहुत दूर से आए हैं भैया, प्लीज देख लो यार प्लीज।
कुछ और चाहिए तो बोलो।
अच्छा 2 मटन बिरयानी ले आओ।
एक ही।
अरे
आई वोंट बी एबल टू फिनिश।
कांट बिलीव दिस मैन। 1 मटन बिरयानी ले आओ।
2 या 1?
एक ही।
एक।
व्हाट द हेल?
I forgot about this and somebody in my office got this really amazing Hyderabadi food and I ate too much of it. So I'm not full now. I won't be able to finish it.
यार मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया यार, बिस्किट्स खाए थे सोच करके यहाँ आऊँगा और मटन कटलेट ग्रेवी खाऊंगा। आई वाज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस।
वो भी खत्म हो गया।
मजाक कर रहे हो क्या?
अरे तो जल्दी आना चाहिए था ना, इस टाइम पे सब खत्म हो जाता है।
अच्छा भैया इस टाइम पे जो भी बेस्ट चीज अवेलेबल है ना वो ले आए।
तो अंडा भुर्जी पाव ले आता हूँ।
वाह, अंडा भुर्जी पाव। 2 घंटे ट्रैवल कर कर आया हूँ ताकि अंडा भुर्जी पाव खा सकूँ।
रिलैक्स ना। 4 अंडे की बनाना।
4 अंडे की भुर्जी? 4 अंडे की भुर्जी कौन खाता है?
तू खा ले ध्रुव, यू मस्ट बी हंग्री।
तो 4 अंडे की भुर्जी कैसे खा सकता हूँ? नहीं 2 अंडे की भुर्जी ले आओ यार।
4 की या 2 की?
अरे सर 2 की ले आओ।
What? It's not my fault that they ran out of
They
food.
should not have come today only man. एक तो तू भूल गई, ऊपर से तू खाकर भी आई है, मतलब क्या जाने का?
I came for you ना, you were so excited.
तो फॉर्मेलिटी क्या है?
What formality? Relax. We came here because you wanted to come here. We're here now.
Let's just not talk right now, yeah. Let me enjoy my अंडा भुर्जी in peace. Wow. Looks great, no?
Have na. I'm pretty sure it's great. Come. It's on me.
Why? Because you're feeling bad.
क्या?
भैया एक कैरेमल कस्टर्ड कर दो यार।
नहीं है।
Dude, let's just leave from here. कैब्स किधर हैं?
वहाँ मिलेंगे।
फाइनली कैब मिली। भैया आप पवई ले लो यार।
Bandra, no?
What? Why?
Taboo night at Shifa's. It's tonight.
What? That's today? नहीं यार मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ। I just want to go home and watch the new episode of Game of
वो
Thrones.
कल देख लेंगे ना ध्रुव।
अरे नहीं यार, someone will ruin it with the spoiler. I know it. Let's not go, man. And wait, don't you want to watch that new episode? Or have you seen that also?
Shut up, yeah, Dhruv. Stop being so difficult. We decided 5 days ago that it's Shifa's taboo night tonight, and I'm also wearing my new earrings. And you're the one who keeps telling me I keep ignoring my friends for us. 5 दिन पहले
यार
decide
मेरे
कर लिया था
दिमाग
ना?
में कैलेंडर फिक्स नहीं है। And who keeps a party on a Monday night anyway?
You know it's a thing, Dhruv. We missed the last 4 taboo nights. We leave early now.
अरे that never happens काव्या। कुछ भी मत बोल यार बोलने की खातिर। I downloaded the whole episode और मैंने एक सीन भी नहीं देखा। You know how difficult that is for me, no? Popcorn भी लेकर आया हूँ यार।
यार बाहर जाके झगड़ा करो यार।
Wait,
So what?
so I don't know. Can you go alone?
Really, Dhruv? Are you really asking me to go alone? Did I not come to eat you at
What?
the place?
Eat me?
Eat with you.
Wait, so that's why you came? Because you wanted me to come with you to Shifa's party?
You're really being a dick, Dhruv. I can't believe you're asking me to go alone. कुछ तो शर्म कर.
शर्म? मम्मी क्यों बन रही है यार? Then why would you say did I not come to eat
To
with you?
make you realize that I'll happily do anything that you want to do, so that you also should do the
यार
same.
ऐसी चीजें मत बोलना क्या कर यार। फालतू में माइंड चेंज हो जाता है। So like what? Can you go alone? सुन ले कबू, अभी भी टाइम में निकल सकते हैं।
Fuck you.
Shifa! It's been so long.
I know.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Come.
What a lovely house, yeah.
How are you?
We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hot man, sucking in the streets, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place, singing we will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you.
Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. And I believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी। थैंक यू आकाशदीप सिंह।
Everybody's just stuck in the middle of the sea. I sail the world to find you when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Sorry man.
We're done, bro. You want to use the room? Go for it, man.
और है क्या ये? तू खा ले। नहीं खा ले। कबू किधर है तू?
You want to sing Yellow?
Wonderwall.
अरे नहीं यार.
What about Sing by Travis?
It's a good song. You wanna? Okay.
They're playing my favorite song.
Yeah. What is this? क्या है ये?
You're not friends anymore, na?
I know. पागल लड़की कुछ भी करती रहती है.
Sinna, what was the guy in the red t-shirt saying to you?
गधा है वो. He kept on saying my name is Rahul, Rahul, Rahul.
Thank God. I thought he was giving you the spoilers.
Wait, is that what he did to you?
Man, it's so annoying. And I asked him to stay away from you, and then I saw him talk to you, so I was like, shit, I have to do something to cheer you up.
That's really, really fucked up. Really is. Wait, is that why we are not best friends anymore? Well played.
Seriously, that Asif guy is so cute.
अब ये कौन है?
अरे that guy who made the meme.
Mad episode, yeah.
What the hell?
क्या
Let's
था
go.
वो?
Time starts now.
With dosa, which vegetable do you get?
आलू.
Michael Jackson का famous song है Smooth.
Criminal. Don't know about everything.
She said what she had to say. She never gave it all away. Her face.
Break this and there's a slip inside.
Fortune cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah, my favorite things.
Was my memory of the night.
It's actually pretty
It's a part of the cos. It's a part of the cosmos.
What do you say? Okay, if you eat really late and if you have stuff which is oily and full of spices, it leads to another word for that.
It's very green. So what do you call the word? What's the adjective for it? No, man.
Hey, did you just cheat?
No, she guessed it, yeah.
I saw you cheating, Adi.
Listen, she guessed it,
I
yeah.
saw you cheating, Adi. Why are you cheating and spoiling the game for everyone?
Arey, it's okay, relax.
Listen, I'll skip the card, yeah. We'll go.
You know, you can skip the card, but you're saying all this because you suck at it.
Then why are you overreacting, yeah?
I'm overreacting. Just shut up and why were you letting him cheat?
हो गया यार.
Listen, they didn't let me cheat. I'll skip this whole round. We'll do the round again. And I won't cheat
don't
this
want
time,
to
I
play.
promise.
Thank you guys for spoiling my taboo night.
Listen, Shifa.
Fuck
listen.
you.
Shifa, yeah.
Bro, is it the cops or what?
So, what was he saying?
That he cheated only because he didn't want to look stupid in front of Shifa's friends.
That's sad.
I know. But he's always very different when he's around Shifa, you know. What are you thinking?
That who here I would like to sleep with.
How cheap.
If I'm being honest, even I can say some shit and get away with it.
Fair enough. I'll also check someone out.
अच्छा.
लोग क्या तुम अकेले करोगे? तुम किसको देखोगे?
See that girl?
It's good.
That girl in that skirt? I'm gonna kiss you right now.
Oh, what a surprise. Thanks for killing the moment.
Shut up.
an episode, but Hodor कैसे मर गया?
The fuck man? बोला था ना यही होने वाला है यार पार्टी में.
सॉरी ना, पर पार्टी में कहाँ हुआ? लिफ्ट में पता चला ना.
क्या है यार?
दो चिकन शॉर्मा देना प्लीज. और ये लिटिल ऐप से कूपन खरीदा है, बाय वन गेट वन फ्री वाला.
ठीक है मैम, मैं लेके आता हूँ.
थैंक यू. से
हाँ, so Liverpool आए. You get good Indian food. My cousin also stays there.
आपका चिकन शॉर्मा.
अरे वाह.
Hello. One is for me.
अरे, मैं थोड़ी not hungry.
It's been 8 hours since I've eaten.
Kidding man here. This is so good. क्या तोड़ में आया full power. How did you come to know about this place?
अरे it showed up on Little App and it had really good reviews. Plus मुझे बहुत अच्छा डील मिला. मैंने सोचा the day you're feeling really upset, I'll get you here.
Am I really this easy to please?
It's a good thing. And I'm really sorry for today.
It's fine man. It's not your fault. And वैसे I actually had fun at the party.
अच्छा. जाने से पहले तू इतना नखरा कर रहे थे?
Nakra was justified back then. It's just that sometimes you would want to do something and sometimes I would want to do something else. But till the time both of us are having fun, it's fine, no?
Yeah, that's true. And everything can be planned, right?
Exactly.
Like for example, while walking here, I saw a mela. So after we're done from here, we're going to walk down there and in less than 2 minutes we're going to be at a mela.
It's not for us to say what will be, and at the end of the day, we'll see which way the whole thing bends and what it could bring. 'Cause nothing really matters except the little things. Some say it works like this, maybe it's true. But the truth can lie sometimes, that's faithful.